Suppose you want to run a 100-meter race. Without hearing the initial bugle, you started the race. What happens? You are disqualified. Even when you start correctly, if you get into somebody else's lane in the heat of the moment, what happens? You are disqualified. The same happens in our life as well, and with Professional Scrum Master Certification as well. So it's important to know the rules of the game. So, what are those rules for Professional Scrum Master? For Professional Scrum Master Certification, we are talking about PSM 1. There are various levels defined by scrum.org that provide the certification. Once you prepare, you have to go to scrum.org, buy a promo code that get into your email ID. And whenever you want to give the examination, you can enter this promo code and give the exam online. In my later videos, I will also show you how to buy this promo code on scrum.org. An important aspect of the certification is once you pass the certification, unlike other certifications that requires renewal, and a renewal means money from your pocket every single year. And that's the reason I often recommend people to do Professional Scrum Master certification if they are not being sponsored by their own organization or somebody else. The certification cost is $150 US. As scrum.org is based in US, so they accept this money in US dollars. So irrespective of your region, it get converted when you buy this promo code. During the exam, you get 80 questions. And scrum.org recommend that out of this 80 questions, you have to get 85% correctly in order to pass the certification, which means around 68 questions. And it also means that if you have 1 hour to do 80 questions, you have just 45 seconds to answer a specific question. And that means your concepts should not only be clear, it should be at your eye length so that you can give your answer really quickly. And in the course of the next few videos, I will also talk about in every section the shortcuts, the techniques, so that you can remember it and use it during your examination. I also attempted this certification and I got 100%. This is not to boost myself, but just to tell you that if you prepare correctly, you can get through it very, very easily. Now, there are many factors why nowadays agile practices like Scrum is in great demand. I will now show you few data points that justify why industry require more and more agile practitioner, scrum master, product owner like you and like me in order to develop and create extremely good products. So here are few data points. In the past, close to 66% of IT projects are over budgeted, which means only close to 30% of projects are able to deliver within the cost that was estimated initially. And that's a huge lag in terms of cost estimation. Other data, 1 in 6 IT project has 200% extra cost and 70% delay. 33% of IT projects are overtime. And all these data points, when put together, formed a strong belief in the minds of practitioners, organizations, and of course, the consultant that the existing waterfall practices will not work. So, what's the way forward? It's the agile practices. So, in this course, we are going to talk about Scrum. Scrum is just one way of doing agile methodology. There are many others like extreme programming, like Kanban, but we will restrict our focus in Scrum in this specific course. So let's move on to the core of Scrum and what Scrum is all about.